You don't need a massive space to build your dream workshop. Learn how to create a complete, organized woodworking area, even in a garage or shed, all while staying on a realistic budget. Stop wasting money on the wrong tools. You don't need every gadget in the catalog to produce quality work. Prioritize versatility and make smarter, budget-conscious choices from the start. Small space requires a smarter layout. Maximize every square foot by positioning your benches, machinery, and storage for an efficient workflow that keeps everything you need within easy reach. Building a great workshop is about more than just the tools. We'll cover the essential infrastructure, lighting, ventilation, storage, and safety that makes your shop more comfortable and safer to work in daily. Follow our small shop roadmap. From selecting the right gear and planning your floor space to effective organization and cost control, this guide is designed specifically for those with limited space and funds. Ready to build your ultimate small shop? Take control of your workspace today and create a practical, organized environment prepared for your next project. Click the link to learn more.